What's going on YouTube? So we're looking at MetaMask. So go to metamask.io and make sure you follow along and watch this video all the way through. If you're new to cryptocurrency, go to coinbase.com. I got the link below in my comments so you guys can earn your $10 worth of Bitcoin once you sign up using that link below. But MetaMask. So what is MetaMask? So MetaMask is a crypto wallet and gateway to blockchain apps. And I'm going to show you guys how to download this and explain what this is briefly and how it works. So pretty much in order for you to interact with these blockchain applications, right? I like looking at DeFi in the space of cryptocurrencies because I feel like DeFi is the next sector to explode in value over time within the space of cryptocurrency. So I like looking at DeFi, right? And most of these DeFi decentralized applications, you need to have MetaMask to for it to work when you go on their website. So for example, if I go to Aave, and then I know for sure Uniswap, but let me just try Aave. So if I go to aave.com, let's see what it says. So you see this button here, it says enter DApp, and this is the liquidity protocol as well, since we're on Aave, which is $3.2 billion. So a lot of money flowing through this protocol Aave, man. So that's why I like DeFi so much, man. Show me the money, man. Where is the money at? So the money is definitely here, $3.2 billion. So as you see, it says enter app. So if I hit enter app, it's going to take me to app.aave.com. It says it's going to say welcome to Aave. So I'm going to go to version 2. It just shows a new version. So you're going to see this, right? You're going to see error detected. And you're going to go to a website like this. You're going to be like, man, why isn't this working? It's not working because you don't have this browser called MetaMask. So you need to download it. And that's what we're going to do. So Aave, you're going to have that issue. So that's why if you go hit browse wallet, and there's different wallets to choose from as well. I just like to use MetaMask, and then so it's not detected. So if I do the same thing at another crypto, Uniswap, because Uniswap is an exchange, and we're going to be using Uniswap as well, especially for this cryptocurrency called CRV, because it's hard to get it. I know a lot of people might be interested in getting some CRV. Definitely myself, I am. But you need Uniswap to do it. But you need to have MetaMask. So as you can see, it says launch app to use Uniswap, which is just a decentralized exchange, so you can buy different cryptocurrencies. So it says to connect wallet. So if I click on connect wallet, it says install MetaMask, because it's not going to work unless I install MetaMask. So just click on that and you'll be able to install it. But just go to metamask.io, and then we're going to go ahead and download this. And this is your wallet for crypto as well. This is where you're going to hold your money. And then so you need to follow this step by step. Okay, so just follow along. So since I do have Chrome, you need to have a Chrome browser. It's best on Chrome. If you have Mac and you try to use it for Safari, I don't think it's going to work. So you need to have Google Chrome. So I'm gonna go ahead and click download, install MetaMask to my Chrome, and it's just a browser extension, so I can explore the dApp space and hopefully earn a return on my cryptocurrency if I want to earn a return, such as staking and things like that. So this has about 1+ million users, so it's a reputable browser to use. Great reviews, almost what's that, 5 stars, so it's at 4 star right now, so pretty good for MetaMask. So I'm gonna add to Chrome, add extension. So it's checking. MetaMask has been uploaded on there, and it says get started connecting you to Ethereum and a decentralized web. We're happy to see you. Happy to see you too. So okay, this is important right here. So new to MetaMask. If I already have a MetaMask, I could be like, no, I already have a seed phrase, import my wallet. So you're not gonna worry about this. We're gonna do this part where it says yes, let's get set up, create a wallet. So help us improve MetaMask. All that little information right there, what it does and doesn't do, doesn't collect your keys, addresses, and things like that, your balances, your hashes. This is private information for your wallet. So MetaMask don't collect that stuff and or your full IP address or sell data for profit ever. So that those are pretty good things MetaMask points out. So I'm gonna hit I agree. So this is my password. So this could be any password. I recommend this password be unique. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and just create mine, which is just gonna be real simple. And make sure you write this password down as well, because you need to have it to enter your wallet, and your wallet consists of your money, right? So if you lose this password and you lose the seed phrase, the next process I'm going to show you, you're gonna be out of luck. Okay, this is all decentralized, so you can't call anybody to restore your funds. This is all on you. This is your responsibility. So it says secret backup phrase. Um, Read this information. Never disclose this backup phrase with anyone. Okay, no one, not me, not anyone. Okay, so it says tips: store this phrase in the password manager like 1Password. If you know how to use that, and just write this phrase on a piece of paper and store it in a secure location. I recommend you do this. So click on here to reveal my secret phrase. So this is my this is called a seed phrase. So a seed phrase just means that open this up, just copy this. So write this down. Don't really copy this on your computer, just write it down, and from right to left, right? So write it down from right to left. Then I already got this, so I'm gonna hit next. It says confirm your secret backup phrase. So your secret backup phrase is the words we just just wrote down. So we're gonna put that in order. It says please select your each phrase in order to make sure it's correct. So that's song unlocked. So I'm gonna just go ahead and finish all this so I won't bore you guys. Congratulations, you passed the test. Keep your seed phrase safe. It's your responsibility. Like I said, save it up, back up, right? These just storing tips, right? Read over this. If you need to learn more, just hit learn more. I'm gonna hit all done. And then it says token swapping is here. You can now swap tokens directly in your MetaMask wallet. MetaMask swaps combines multiple decentralized exchanges and things like that. So it just gives you some information about what you can do inside your MetaMask. So I can hit start swapping if I want to, or I can just hit exit out. So I'm just exit out because I don't want to swap anything yet, because I don't really have any funds in my wallet to really do any type of swap. So this is my account. So if you notice, you didn't put any information in yours. You didn't put your first, last name, email address, where you live, or your home address, right? That's the cool thing about decentralized web, man. You don't have to put any of that type of information. All you just do is create a wallet like we just done with those simple steps, and we have a wallet with our own address. And this is our address where people can send us money, right? So if I want to, let's say, if I go to send, so I go to send, I can just add someone's recipient. So in this case, my recipient will be, if I go to account, I just hit cancel. This is so I just hit copy to my clipboard. This is my address, right? So in this case, if somebody, right, say if my friend, he had a MetaMask just like this, but with a different number up here, he can go to send, and then he'll put my address right here. So I'll just put my recipient, my address here as a recipient. I'll just hit paste. For some reason it's not pasting it. Let's see. So hit paste, and then you see my address reload, and my friend will send me whatever asset he has, right? Either that's Ethereum or whatever asset he has in his wallet. He'll send it to me, and then he'll just go to the steps to actually send those funds to me. So that's just an example. But this is your wallet, man. Just play around with it. You create another account inside your wallet. So you have this account right here. This is account number 1. So if I go hit cancel, account details. Okay, so this is my account details. You can export your private key as well. You can actually view this on Etherscan just to see your account in a more full screen and see your balance this way. Etherscan is a popular site to see your address as well as far as your balance. And then, okay, yeah, that's what I was looking for. So hit those 3 dots, account details. You're going to see this edit pencil. So what you can do is, this could be your main account. So you just be like this account could be for, let's say my account for bills, right? So I got it as bills. Boom. Now I can create another account, and this be account number 2. I can label this as taxes. Create. So now this is my taxes account inside my wallet. Then let's say I create a third one. Let's say investing. Hit create. And now, as you can see, I got 3 different accounts in my wallets. One for bills, right? Say on payday, right? Say on payday I get paid, and I want to store my my bills in crypto, right? I could be like, okay, I'm gonna buy some Ethereum, and then it's gonna be in my bills account. And then I could be like, okay, for my taxes this year, I'm gonna put all my taxes in crypto. I'm gonna buy some Ethereum, and then all my taxes will be held in cryptocurrency in my taxes account. And then for investing, this really applies for investing. This will make more sense. So for example, I buy Ethereum, and then over time I'll just keep adding Ethereum into my investing account by sending money to my address right here, right? And then I'll get my investment money in Ethereum, and then I could just start investing into different altcoins or into Bitcoins, right? So those are just some examples. But the cool thing about this, now we got our wallet created, and now we can interact with these dApps, right? Which was one of the main goals. So if I go to enter dApp again, it's going to reload the page. My MetaMask is going to pop up. It's going to say which account I want to select. I can just select my investing account, right? Hit connect. It's going to connect. And then boom, voila, I have access to the decentralized web of Aave. And I can swap, I can borrow, I can deposit. I can look at my dashboard. I don't have no deposit, so it's empty. But I can stake my Aave here by hitting stake and just hit the amount of Aave that I have. And then I can start staking Aave and start earning some passive income. So that's one way to do that with Aave. So you're lucky on that one. But back to Unicorn, we can do the same thing with Unicorn. We just go back to connect to a wallet. Let me just refresh my page now since I'm already connected. So it says connect wallet. So if you click on this, it's going to say MetaMask. I'm going to connect my MetaMask. So don't say install anymore. I'll just use the same account. Just hit investing, connect. Now the money that I have in my wallet, which is my investing account, now I can interact with Uniswap, and I can use my investment money, which is in Ethereum, right? The cryptocurrency Ethereum, and then I could just swap it out for a cryptocurrency, say like CRV, because I like decentralized applications, and I like CRV, and you can't buy CRV on Coinbase or on Binance, so it's kind of hard to get CRV, but Uniswap offer it, which is cool because Uniswap is a decentralized version of Coinbase and Binance. As far as of an exchange, it's just a decentralized aspect of it, and we can buy CRV, right? And just like that, I can buy some CRV, enter amount, and then I'll have CRV in my investing account. So that's how you do it. MetaMask. Not trying to make this video any longer than it needs to be, but I just want to show you some unique features to use MetaMask and to operate with the decentralized web, and so you guys can follow along as well.